Hi friend, today I am going to show you how to program CPS24E power supply. Sometime we are facing some issue that for the charger fail and the battery is not getting charged while switching off the main AC power. Your panel will be not coming any backup, and your battery backup is not coming over to the panel. So that time it might be some issue for the power supply which is not getting charged your battery. So let's start how to program that uh, power supply. Okay, so to program this power supply we have to use one of the tools that's called pk.pps. This is by Honeywell, and I will just share you. I cannot give you this directly, but if you need if you need these things, and you can contact me, and I can provide you without free of cost. Don't worry for that. But because of this policy, we should not share this power supply to the end user, and because of that I will be sharing these things to the certified engineer only. Okay, whoever. So let's start how to program. First of all, what we will do, we will go to this application, this PPS, pk.pps, right click and do the run as administrator. Okay, once it opens, if your power supply is connected, then you will get this window. Okay, so now you can see this has been programmed by default into the 1 amps 7 to 26 Ah. It means your power supply is capable to charge 7 Ah to 26 Ah battery. So if your battery is above 26 Ah, you must change these things and you must program this power supply. So now we will start the programming. See, now I want according to the notifier recommendation, always we need to use above 26 Ah battery for NFS23030D. And for this one, what we are going to do, I'm just going to modify this power supply, and we are having above 26 Ah battery. So now I'm just going to select it to 2 amps 26 to 60 Ah, and I'm going to select it. Then I will click onto the next, then next, again next. Then you will get this to this one, and you need to do finish. Once it's finished, there will one option will come. Then for this one you have to save from 26 H to 60 H. Okay, so now give this name and save it to desktop. Once you save, then your power supply will get a reboot. Okay, so it will go to the reboot mode now. You can see now it is into the reboot mode. Okay, so once it's get reboot, it is into the reboot mode. So now it is ready now. So it has been changed to 26 to means 2 amps 12 to 16 amps. The same thing what you can do once you close this one, and I'm going to remove this one second. So once I remove, and if you want to see these things, it will not appear anything. Once you connect this cable once again, and you will get this window once again. Okay, so like this you have to program the power supply, and the database, whatever you have saved like earlier database, if you are having something. So this all those thing application, this all those thing, if we have to download, and we need to upload it to the power supply. This all those thing, if you want, you can contact to my description link, and you can subscription my channel for any other video like this technical videos. Okay, to program this, first of all we will go to this software. This is pk-pps by notifier. Okay, so once you open this window, then you will get this window. Actually this power supply is configured already to the 2 amps to 12Ah, this one. So what you have to do, you have to go and modify these things, do modify, and you can select it as it is if you want. If you want to downgrade it to the 1H, and you can also do the same thing, you can do. And finished, select 1H, save it. Once you save, then it will ask you for the reboot of your system. So once you reboot, then you can see these things like this. So once you give the reboot, then the power supply will start rebooting, and it will reboot. You can see here, and see, it is getting reboot. So now it's done. Okay, so it has been changed to the 1 amps. So like this you have to program this power supply. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share this video, which video will be applicable, and it will be helpful for your other friends also.